Here I have HUAWEI Nova 3 and let me show you how to enable the portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, then find and select the settings. Here you need to find and select wireless and networks, then choose Tetric and portable hotspot. Let's tap on portable Wi-Fi hotspot, and here you can enable the Wi-Fi hotspot by using the switcher. The device is creating HUAWEI Nova 3 hotspot, and now you can use it. You may also configure your hotspot by using the following options. Here you can change the network name, encryption type, password. Right now you are using the following one. You can also show some advanced options, and you can change here the AP band, broadcast channel, max connection allowed, and the timer of your hotspot. If you change something, tap save. If not, choose cancel. Here you can also read such stuff as data limit or connected device. If you would like to disable the hotspot, let's use the same switcher, and now you can go back and use your device in a normal way. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.